How to enable or disable keep magnification when switching apps in full screen view on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on vision enhancements. Now scroll down and then tap on magnification. Now scroll down and then tap on keep magnification when switching apps in full screen view. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.